Okay, now roll it up into a little circle. Probably should move this a little back. If I move it any more back, it falls. For sure. And this is not supposed to be perfect. Okay, and roll out some of this into a circle. Great, there's the butterfly. Now last thing. The alligator. Or crocodile. Whichever you prefer. What is compound anyway? You leave an answer in the comments. It's always hear that word compound. I see it too. On the lid, which you can't really see. On the front, which you can't really see either. Maybe if it didn't pull air. Nope. Maybe, yeah, maybe on this big front lid. You can sort of see it there. Only $6 for this, all this fun that your kids would probably be happy for hours. Well, depending on their age. I'm not really a kid anymore. I'm 13, come on. Camera screwed up. Well, not screwed up, but it did auto power off. In fact, so I'm moving these. I hope that didn't, that's a hope that's not the reason that my other video screwed up. Okay. And now here's the cow with the naughtiness. They shouldn't really be showing that stuff to little kid children because they don't know what it is. The naughtiness. They don't know what that stuff that they drink out of cartons is from. Here's the purple giraffe. Hey, if you can make a green dolphin, you can make a purple giraffe, so don't... For a second I thought I saw its eye was out again. And last, but by no means least, this. Monarch butterfly. And I've got this other Play-Doh set that I might be able to find that I once got at Desert Industries, the same place that I got all those that $2 bag full of Thomas trains. Just wait, and if I can't find it, well, oh well. Look. This little Play-Doh Fun Factory set. Let's do some molding. How about it? Let's start out with some purple. Oh yeah, I forgot. You get to mold here as well. So let's start out here since these are small, but they have plenty of space to move. I used a lot of Play on it and dried up because I forgot to put it back in its cans. Okay. I'm using purple because there's a lot of it. Okay. Okay, push it down hard. There's nowhere to grab it. There's no grabbing place, so it's a little tricky to get it off. But it comes out pretty good. Oh yeah, if I do it like this and stamp it like this, then I can just grab it and pull it off and take off the excess Play-Doh. Now where did I put that? Oh, there it is. Maybe it isn't better because it's just more pain to get all this excess out. Oops. You should quit moving around, you knife. There. Here's a lightning bolt, or W. It's more like a W now after all that. I'm not going to do it the way I did before because it's actually worse getting it out. I think I paid like only 70 cents for this, but it didn't come with any Play-Doh because I got it used. There's no Play-Doh surrounding it. Okay, flatten it out and pick off this excess right here. Okay, well, last mold. And then it's time for the fun part. This reminds me of that McDonald's set that Mike Mozart reviewed. And that also, and that, oh, I get it. I didn't do this on the other ones, but I got it. Just like in the Mickey Mouse Pirate set. You push it down to mold it. Oh, 75 cents, there it is. Here it is. So now I've got some of these little molds from those. Now comes the fun extruding part. Now you just put a little bit of Play-Doh in. And you push this down hard, and look, out pops. Oh, there isn't much in there, so I should probably put in some more. There. And look what this could be for. Pinkie Pie? You thinking what I'm thinking? I'm thinking about cherry pie. What? I think. Never mind. So if I cut it off with the Play-Doh knife, I got some like spaghetti pieces. Yay! Except who would eat purple spaghetti? I would. What are you talking about, Pinkie Pie? Because I'm a pony. No. Wow, there's 2 stickers selling 75 cents. Okay, sorry, this is so boring. Do you think I should just stop? Well, it's my video. I bet when this camera runs out of time, I'll stop. Although the Play-Doh can get stuck in these crevices. Okay, how about this other split one? Mike Moser most likely reviews the more unusual Play-Doh sets. And he's even reviewed 2 imposter Play-Doh sets. That Disney Princess, it just says Doh, and that Tycho Crash Dummy Super Doh set. Okay, you stick it in there, and you push down hard, and 2 splits come out. And you cut it off.